everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. Very nice car, guys. Bought this car from an older gentleman out of North Carolina. He's had it for some time. It's a little bit of an older restoration. This is an original K5 bronze metallic car. It's got the black vinyl interior in it. It has the matching numbers, 383 cubic inch engine, matching numbers, pistol grip, 4-speed manual transmission, and just a good car, guys. You know, it's a very nice driver is what I would say. You can nitpick some of the paint and stuff like that, but a very good car, man. 1,800 miles on it since the motor and trans were done. It's got a little cam to it, but very cool car. Original RM Roadrunner. Again, this is your original color. The car's got 15-inch Magnum 500s all the way around it. It's got BF Goodrich Radial TAs. Good car, man. Good, solid, straight North Carolina body. And I'll tell you what, car runs and drives excellent. Again, when I'm saying you can nitpick stuff, you know, some of the trim's original, bumpers have been replaced. There's a few little touch-up marks that you can kind of nitpick, you know. But nice, nice car. Pretty paint. Car's got a great look to it. See a little touch-up mark here, the kind of little ding mark there. Again, I'm not trying to pick the car apart, but 80% of these cars, guys, we sell sight unseen, man. I'd like people to get them there, and people try to nitpick them anyways. I try to show you everything that I know of. Good car, though. I'm gonna tell you, runs out good, shifts good. Just a good car. It's got the go wing. Nice and straight down the sides. Car sits up good. It's got that good muscle car stance. Again, newer rubber, newer wheels. That rear bumper's replaced. It's replaced both the front and rear bumpers. Again, a little touch-up mark. Again, I'm not trying to nitpick it to death, guys. It's just, there's a few little things you can pick at on the car. The dust trail stripe. Again, this is the matching numbers engine, 383. Little performance behind it though, guys. It's got a Holley dual feed 4-barrel on it. Edelbrock Performer air gap aluminum intake. It's got some Hedman headers, aluminum water pump. It does have a mild cam to it. It does have the matching numbers, 4-speed manual trans. They've converted it to electronic ignition. You can see the Mopar Performance valve covers and air cleaner. There's your original fender tag. Good car. I'll tell you that right now. I wouldn't be afraid to get in this thing, turn the key, and go anywhere. This is a good car. Original 8-pillar chrome. You kind of pick at that a little bit. Mirror looks new. Door handles are new. Bucket seats, factory pistol grip 4-speed car. Factory dash, 1898. That's on it since it's at a mechanical restoration, guys. It's Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got the chrome tips. It's a 373 sure grip rear end. Car has had quarters put on. He said they did put a trunk pan in it. Did a nice job. Factory jack was spare. And it's all body color in here, although they kind of put a little, I don't know what you would call it, like a texture to it. I think it's got air shocks on the rear too, doesn't it? Got it up in the air. Again, it's not a frame off or anything like that. We get some good pictures of the underside. Just a very nice car, guys. That's what it is. Dash is in good shape. Aftermarket AM/FM radio. Console delete. Yeah, just a little cam to it, nothing crazy, just give you a little performance. Car's got a good sound to it. Apologize while I try to stick these pins in here, guys. It's not the easiest thing to do one-handed. I apologize. Car's got a good sound, I'll tell you that right now. Parking brake works, that's your parking brake light. Fuel gauge works, all your gauges are working in there. All your lights and stuff work, I'll tell you that, man. Backup lights even work on this car. Yeah, backup lights work. Car's got a mean sign. It's got plenty of performance too, guys. A little bit deeper meats on the back. Yeah, your little reverse light in the dash works. Radio works. I know the blower motor works.
Remember, the best quality is
Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook or our Instagram page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Man, it's a pretty car, guys. Have a great day, guys.